this session, we will discuss about how you can evaluate the checkbox using JavaScript. In JavaScript, the checked property is the one which is used for setting or returning the checked state of a checkbox. So this particular property reflects the checked attribute which corresponds in your HTML file. For example, if I'm having a checkbox called my check in my HTML document, then I can fetch that using getElementById. And if I want to check that checkbox using JavaScript, then I can set the property of check to true. So this will make a tick mark in that checkbox. Similarly, if you want to remove the check mark, then you can make use of the property same again, that is check, but you need to set it to false. So this is how you can evaluate or set the checkbox when using JavaScript. So let us see one example. We will open our editor. We'll create a new file. We will save the file. I'm creating a new folder called Checkbox, and inside Checkbox I'm creating a file called check.html. So let us create the HTML structure. Title I'm giving it as evaluation of checkbox. In HTML I need to take a checkbox, so we will take the input tag. Input type is equal to checkbox. Value, you can just write any value. I'm writing it as I'm a checkbox, and slash input. We will take two buttons. So first button, and on its click event we will call a method called as on, which will tick mark the checkbox. And we will take one more button, and on its click event we will call a function called as off. So off function will be used for unchecking the checkbox. Okay, so now we come to the head tag and we write a script here. First function we are writing is on. In this we also need to give a ID to this checkbox. ID is equal to my check. Okay, so document dot get element by ID. Name of that element is my check. Dot checked is equal to true. Okay, and same function I can write and modify for off. So function off, document dot get element dot checked, the property will set it to false. Let us execute this and check whether we get a correct output. So I will run it through localhost. Name of my folder is checkbox, and name of my file is check.html. Typo mistake, check.html. So here I'm no need of writing it over here. Save this. We'll write a message as check me, function F5, and we'll take these buttons on the next line. Okay, so I'll give a break over here, refresh the page. So check me gets selected, When I click on off, it gets deselected. Okay, so this is how you can set and unset the checkbox with the help of check property using JavaScript. So this was about how you can evaluate a checkbox through JavaScript with the help of check property.